Upgrade your PC with lightning-fast TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter. Step into the future of connectivity with the TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter for desktop PC, Archer TX21UH. Experience lightning-fast Wi-Fi 6 speeds that outperform previous generation Wi-Fi 5, ensuring smoother gaming, downloading, and streaming experiences. With dual-band support, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, enjoy flexible connectivity and blazing fast speeds of up to 1.8 gigabits per second. Connect more devices with lower latency using MU-MIMO and OFDMA technology, which optimize your Wi-Fi network's throughput and efficiency. Experience flawless streams, gameplay, and uploads while maintaining exceptional stability, even with multiple devices connected simultaneously. Achieve ultimate range and signal quality with high-gain dual-band 5 dBi antennas and beamforming technology. Enjoy improved reception and transmission performance, making it your go-to desktop Wi-Fi adapter for seamless connectivity. Benefit from superior transfer speeds with USB 3.0 compatibility, offering blazing fast data transfer rates up to 10 times faster than USB 2.0. Plus, the included 1.2-meter USB 3.0 cable provides flexibility in device placement for added convenience. TP-Link, a global leader in networking devices, presents a reliable and high-performing Wi-Fi 6 adapter backed by industry-leading support. With 24/7 technical assistance and a 2-year warranty, you can trust TP-Link to exceed your networking needs. Upgrade your PC today with the TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter and unlock the full potential of your Wi-Fi 6 router.